A tragic incident took place in Mumbai's Uran area where a ferry carrying more than 100 passengers capsized on Wednesday while en route to Elephanta Caves in the afternoon at around 4 p.m. This is the gateway of India where I am standing right now, and the ferry boat had left from this place yesterday at around 3:15 p.m. when at around 3:55 p.m. another small boat dashed to the Nilkamal boat, resulting into the accident where around more than 100 passengers were travelling on that boat, and around 13 people have lost their lives, including 10 civilians and 3 naval officers. Out of the total 114 rescued, 97 people who survived in this are said to be in a stable condition, whereas 4 are in a critical condition, and 13 people have lost their lives in this tragic incident. The Indian Navy in its official statement said that the Indian Navy craft lost control while undertaking engine trials in Mumbai harbour due to engine malfunction. As a result, the boat collided with a passenger ferry which subsequently capsized. Survivors rescued from the incident site were being shifted to the nearby hospitals. Search and rescue efforts were being immediately launched, wherein 4 naval helicopters, 11 naval crafts, 1 Coast Guard boat and 3 marine police crafts had been pressed in action for recovering the survivors. When this incident took place, the Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Devendra Fadnavis, also reacted to this incident. He said that the next of the kin of the deceased will be given a financial assistance of rupees 5 lakhs from the Chief Minister's Relief Fund. The Navy and the state government both will initiate a detailed enquiry, and a case has also been registered at the Kulaba police station in relation to the incident of the Nilkamal boat capsizing against the Navy speedboat driver and other responsibles. On the complaint of survivor Nattaram Chaudhary, 22 years age, who is a resident of Mumbai's Sakinaka. Prime Minister Narendra Modi also expressed his Prime Minister Narendra Modi also gave his reaction, where he announced an ex gratia of rupees 2 lakh for the next of the kin of the each deceased in Mumbai boat mishap. This is the gateway where we can see the passengers travel through the ferry boat to go to their destination, whether it's Alibag or the Mandwa beach. So yesterday at the same time around 3:15 the boat left from this spot, and at around 3:55 p.m. when it reached Uran, the Navy boat collided with the ferry boat which was carrying more than 100 passengers. The case has been registered in the Kolaba police station. The investigations are underway. 13 people have lost their lives, which includes 10 civilians, 3 naval officers, and the other investigations are also underway. We can see the ferry boats which are now leaving for its destination. We can see that after this incident which took place, precautionary measures have been taken. All the passengers who are traveling have been given the lifeguards. We can see here the boat which is now been halted at the gateway of India, where all the passengers traveling from these boats after this incident which took place yesterday, as a precautionary measures have been given the lifeguards. So yes, all the measures are being taken, and the police is also investigating this matter of the incident which took place yesterday in Mumbai. With video journalist Kunal, this is Darren Miranda, News X, Mumbai.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.